So in my lifetime, I've seen some pretty crazy police cars. You go to Dubai, you can see some like Lamborghini, some Bugatti police cars. Here, you know, normally in the US, you can see some Mustangs, maybe some Camaros, some trucks. Today, we're seeing a monster truck. Now, I don't know what kind of criminals are gonna be trying to escape a monster truck, but also, like, what do you have to do to get chased by that? Let's just go see. The video is gonna be by Cars Versus, and like I was saying, like, what did you have to do for them to be like, hey, go get the monster truck? Like, normally it's just like these cars. You see those police cars back there? Those are like the normal. You know what I'm saying? Normal police car. Are they like super fast? Nah, not really. Especially going up against, going up against the Challenger or Charger. I think it's a Challenger, right? What's that car? Oh, that's two broken dummies off the rip. Goodness gracious. Well, now I see why they got to get the police car out. He already caused some havoc. Oh! Now, oh! That guy right here might have been in on it. Buddy could have stopped about half an hour ago. He saw all that take place. Now, they did run a stop sign. He didn't, so he's fine legally, I think. I don't know. He better have insurance. That's all I'm telling you. He's still got one with him. Oh, the drift.
Dispatch, I'm the last still in pursuit.
He's nice.
In an orange Dodge Challenger.
Challenger.
Stripes. I'll try to cut him off.
He got that SRT as well. Car wash. He got a quick wash. He done erased the stripes.
Update. Same orange Challenger, no white stripes.
Update? What do you mean update? That was 5 seconds ago. How did he lose the stripes?
Dispatch. Suspect is eastbound.
Hey, yo, who is in this car? What is that right there? That, whatever that is beautiful, and that is an expensive human in that vehicle.
Eastbound under the overpass.
Or I guess not human. A dummy. My easy.
Roadblock is ready. Bring him straight to us.
All right, so now they got like the little bigger versions of the police car, but it's still not a monster truck. Oh! Oh, yeah. Wrap it up. Bring out the truck. Bring out that monster truck. Is Dom Toretto in this Challenger right now? What is happening?
Dispatch, we need heavy backup.
Heavy. I heard him. We need heavy backup. He thinks he's in the clear. My man's playing GTA right now. Actually, in GTA, there's a nice little hiding spot in an area that looks like this. Oh! Monster Unit E! I like this intro. He ain't have to flatten him, though. Oh, my gosh. And he just left? I mean, no reason to pull up on him with the lights on. He ain't going nowhere. All right, episode number 2, Railroad Rescue. Bro, the monster unit goes crazy tough. That was so sick.
No. Come on, stop.
See, at this point, here's what I'm doing. I'm busting it into a neutral. I'm gonna get out, and I'm just gonna push the whip. But now you've waited so long that you're probably gonna get knocked. Oh!
Oh, no way.
Hey, the monster truck first. Hey, he destroyed somebody in episode 1, so episode 2, he's got to get, his redemption. Nice! Oh, no! If that rolls over him, oh, it stopped the train? Hey, he had a dash cam to prove it, too. Dang. Hey, my boy needs a raise immediately. I know he took somebody out in episode 1. We're gonna look past that. It's still going? got hit by a train. All right, bet. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, we're feeling nice today. He's gonna be fine. He's gonna be okay. Thankful to the monster unit who just, by the way, keeps disappearing. He said something about an insurance case. I told y'all. Better have insurance. My man and the police monster. Did they just steal? Why are they walking out like that? Armed heist.
Did you leave the keys in the truck?
Looks like I did.
Left the keys.
Finally, I'm rich.
Oh, he got that cash on him.
Over now.
No, I don't think I will. Thank you. The bridge? Ain't no way he's gonna ramp this.
I've got a plan.
Do you, though? In the Brinks truck? I mean, I feel like this is still just a thought, though. You know, it's like it's got that hue over it. I feel like he hasn't done this yet. I feel like that would have been the plan. Let's see. Yep.
Okay, let's do this.
So he hasn't even done it yet. He's just hoping that's how it goes. I mean, he's looking a little taller than that previously did. Ha! You must be wondering how I got here.
Suspect is heading toward the river.
Copy that. He won't get far.
By the way, can we go ahead and compliment my man's mustache? That is one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen. I mean, you can't even see Buddy's mouth. He has been working on that since the age of, like,
Copy that. He won't get
0.
far.
He's never shaved it. My boy's just, it's got that stash. What is that kind called? Like a handlebar mustache? I would look so goofy with that. Ah! Oh, this might be it. This might be it. He's a savage. I thought that was for sure gonna be the end for the monster truck. It's the end for him for sure. He's just at the right place at the right time, doing the right things, rightfully. Hands behind your back, sir. You're going to jail. Leave that money down there, though. I'll come back, pick it up later.
Suspect is in custody.
Don't mention it. Your wish is my command.
That's right. See, ever since he destroyed that... Yeah!
12. Suspect is headed your way. Get ready.
Oh,
to
he's bopping.
intercept.
Y'all ain't catching him. He's got the off-road vehicle, and he's bopping?
We're blocking the road.
Why does this kind of look like the first mission of Grand Theft Auto? Grand Theft Auto 5. I'm totally getting that vibe right now.
We're stuck in the mud. Suspect is pushing toward the highway.
I told y'all, man, he's got
I'll
that
make sure he doesn't get back on the road.
that all-terrain. He's got them, look at them tires, bro.
Moving to intercept.
Moving to intercept.
He's going back into the swamp. Call monster unit.
Call monster unit. Oh, you done messed up. You already know monster unit's here. He already knew.
Straight to the target.
He's always at the right place at the right time. Oh my goodness. Can you imagine if there was actually a police monster truck? What is that noise? Sounded like an animal. Ah, you're cooked. You're cooked. He can't move. Ah, he did move. Not the ramp. It's gonna be episode 1 all over. Again. I mean, that's two dummies. That's two dummies broken. The majestic music too, bro. It's like the end of a superhero movie. Ooh, goodness gracious.
Okay, guys.
Y'all gotta give it up to him.
Suspect is stopped.
Suspect has finally been stopped. We got one more episode here. Was his blinker on? That was a beautiful guitar solo.
Thanks, Monster Unit.
Yeah, big thanks, Monster Unit.
Big thanks. Why did he sound so sarcastic? Wouldn't have been able to do that without him. Get yourself out of the mud.
Units, be advised, suspect is in a fully loaded fuel tanker heading for the interstate.
Episode number 5. Let's go. He's in a fuel tanker? That's like the worst thing to chase.
Copy that.
If he crashes, it's gonna blow up.
Oh, I'm getting through.
Oh, I'm getting through. Dang. Call Monster Unit up real quick. You know he's just behind them trees somewhere.
Still think you can stop me?
I wouldn't be talking yet, big fella.
Still in pursuit. I'm going for the rear wheel.
Don't do it, it's gonna explode.
Shot.
That was actually genius.
I'm stuck
Okay.
on him. He's still moving. I need heavy backup.
Heavy backup?
Heavy backup, you say?
What the heck is that thing?
You don't want to know, bro. He's done some damage in today's episode.
What's he gonna do?
What is he gonna do? He saved the police car. Of course he did. And then how's he gonna stop the tanker? Why do I feel like it's gonna explode? I mean, listen, y'all gotta give it up to the Monster Unit today. He saved lives. He ruined a few. But you know what? A lot more lives were saved because of him. All right, let's look at the positives. Let's be an optimist, not a pessimist, all right? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna give me a monster truck. I think that's what I've seen.
Target stopped. Mission complete.
Nice work, Monster Unit. We'll see you in the next video.
We'll see him in the next video. I don't know if we're actually gonna see another monster truck. We've seen a monster truck ghost, now a police car. What else could it be? Thank you guys for watching. I love y'all. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.